In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily take bursts of photos on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Camera app. After that, make sure that you are at photo mode, and normally to take a picture all we have to do is just tap right here once, and that will take one single photo. However, guys, in order to take a burst of pictures, we need to press right here at this button and then drag this button to the left while keeping our finger at the screen. And then your phone will start taking many pictures one by one as long as you keep your finger on the screen. That's how it works. Now I'm taking a huge amount of photos. I've just taken around 70 or maybe 60 photos, and all of them have been saved to Camera Roll. And now I'm gonna show you how we can easily select and save one picture and delete the rest almost in one tap. So guys, to do that we need to head over to Photos app. First of all, here you can see that now all photos take just one cell here, which is very convenient because shooting in this mode we do not clog our gallery. So I'm just gonna open up this item, and here it says that here we have 67 pictures, and then in order to view all of them we need to tap right here, and then we can drag it left or right until we find the picture we prefer to keep. Let's say that one, maybe that one. After that, here just choose one of them. We can select several pictures, by the way, and then to save that picture to your gallery and to remove the rest, just hit right here at done and then select keep only one favorite. However, also you can choose keep everything, but I'm gonna choose that one. And basically, guys, that's how it can be easily done. I've just selected one picture of 67 that I've been taken, and now I've saved one and removed the others. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.